and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have my Walmart Fall Beauty Box edition, and I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. And I also have my new fall backdrop that I just ordered off Amazon. So I'm definitely getting in the fall spirit along with my fall Walmart box. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you haven't subscribed. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you like those kind of videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, thank you. And for those of you who are not familiar with Walmart Beauty Box, it is $6.98 and it only comes out 4 times a year every season. And that's pretty much it. If you would like to sign up and you haven't signed up, I will leave a link down below. Just click on that link and it'll take you right there and you can sign up to receive your Walmart Beauty Box. But with that said, let's go ahead and see what they sent for this fall season. Now, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And it's pretty packed this time. And they give you a little brochure with everything that's in here, and they say it's fall, y'all. And here is all the items that you could receive. Now, I will not receive every item. They have a beauty profile, and I think they send you items according to your beauty profile. But if you want to stop the video and look and see what you could have got. So with that said, we're going to start off with the first one, and I've already opened it and used it, and so I can say that I like this. And this was Siesta Gentle Cleansing Wipe. Full size of this is $10. Wow, I didn't even know that when I opened it and used it. It says these fragrance-free pre-moistened wipes make on-the-go makeup removal a snap. Aloe, green tea, and cucumber extract works to remove makeup, leaving skin clean and refreshed. Now, it says in here that depending on how you answer your profile, if you did not get the wipes, your other option would be the Siesta Moi mask, and the retail value of that would also be $10, and that is right there if you want to stop and read about that. Okay, now the next product out is this, and this is Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. It's $4.88, and I don't use makeup sponges. I'm one of those people who just use my fingers, so I'll probably put this away in a giveaway or put it in my daughter's stockings for Christmas time. But it says evenly blend your foundation, blurring fine lines and imperfections for a radiant streak-free finish. Sponges will vary. So awesome. And like I said, I already used the face wipes. I've also already used this Earth Bees Sensitive Facial Cleanser. I give this a big thumbs up. My face, I washed my face with this and it felt so smooth afterwards. It did not dry my face out, and I have very dry skin, so I really appreciated that. But I didn't read anything about it, I just used it. So let's see what it says. The full size value of this is $8.34. That's not too bad for a facial cleanser. It says infused with soothing cotton extract, this creamy soap-free formula hydrates skin while gently cleansing away dirt, oil, and makeup without causing redness and irritation. And that's what it did. It was very hydrating to my skin and took all my makeup off. So I like this. This beauty box this season is doing really good. Now, I have not tried this yet. This is by Dove, and this was the Dove Exfoliating Body Wash. Full size value of this is $5.94. And let me go ahead and open it. And this is what it looks like. It's like a whipped butter with some scrubbing things in there to scrub your skin real good. It has a nice, pleasant smell. Just clean and fresh, like a body wash. It says pomegranate seeds and shea butter. I would describe it as clean smell. These are the last 2 items out, and this is from Neutrogena, and this is Stubborn Blackhead Daily Serum. And for a full size value of this is $11.97. So it says it is salicylic acid acne treatment. Visibly clears clogged pores and helps eliminate blackheads. It has 10% glycolic plus mandelic plus polyhydroxy acids. Yeah, that's a mouthful right there. So I will give it a try. I usually get a little bit of blackheads right around my nose, so I will definitely give this a try. And yeah, so overall, let's go over everything that I received for $6.98. I got 2 Neutrogena blackhead removers. I got some facial cleanser wipes. I got some facial cleanser from Burt's Bees that I really liked, and I like these too. I have a Real Technique beauty sponge and Dove body wash. So for $6.98, this is what you get. I think this is a great fall box. What do you guys think of these products? Have you tried any of these yourself, and what did you think? I'm pretty happy with this month, so I hope winter is as good as this one, because I don't mind paying the extra $2 when they're sending me good products like this. I'm really happy with this box. Okay, well, I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.